Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to do the front post single crochet stitch. All you're going to need for this tutorial is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using two different colors to show you how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. To begin, I have already made one chain on my hook and I made one single crochet into the first stitch of this row. So now I will show you the front post single crochet. This is where you're going to insert your hook in between the stitches and next to this post right here. You're going to take it behind that post. You're then going to wrap your yarn over. You're going to pull it behind that post. And you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through both loops on your hook like a regular single crochet. I'm just going to make a regular one into this next stitch here. So again, this is where you would insert your hook. Go behind that post. Grab that yarn, pull it behind that post, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook like a regular single crochet. So go right here behind that post, grab that yarn, pull it behind that post, yarn over, pull through both loops. Again. I'm making regular single crochet stitches in between the front post ones so you can see at the end the texture that it's going to be making. So this is where you're going to insert your hook, go behind that post, grab that yarn, pull it behind that post, yarn over, pull through both loops. Again, this is where you're going to insert your hook next to that post, go behind it, grab that yarn, pull it behind that post. You should have two loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. I'm just going to make a single in the last stitch here. So, turn around, you can see that there's a raised edge back here from the front post stitches. And then you can see there's a little bit of texture. The regular single crochet stitches that I had made between them are sort of sunken in, and these single crochet ones are raised, so it creates a great texture right here. So that's going to be how to make the front post single crochet stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on any social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback, any suggestions that you would like to see for future videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.